Hello, welcome back to Puppet Wood. In today's video, we are going to be making a beautiful mushroom platter. On the LongMill, we will start by showing you the design process. For this project, we used Fusion 360 and Meshmixer to help design the platter. We also downloaded a mushroom file from Thingiverse. We will leave a link in case you want to try it yourself. We had a slight problem while carving this piece. Someone forgot to zero the axes before starting the finishing program, and it caused the bit to bury itself into the wood. There was a bit of smoke and anxiety. Haha. But it all worked out in the end. Check out the blooper at the end of the video. We finished this project with a coating of some homemade beeswax and mineral oil polish. Thank you once again, and be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Enjoy the video.